Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove a forked repository from your GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, you click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle and identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do is to go to your profile and then click on your profile. Here we need to go to repositories, then go to type, and here you will search for forks. And basically you will see all your forked repositories. You go to the forked repository and then you will need to delete it. So you go to settings, go to the bottom, and here you will see delete this repository. You go and delete this repository, you confirm, and then you will need to type this message here. So after you do this, you will need just to click on delete this repository, you confirm by adding your password, and now you will have the repository that has been removed in ARM4. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.